Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to zoom in out on a Binance chart. If you are on a computer, simply hover over the chart and use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out smoothly. On the Binance mobile app, use the pins to zoom gesture. Place two fingers on the screen and pins inward to zoom out or spread them apart to zoom in. You can also change the chart's time frame to get a closer or wider view. Just tap the time frame option like 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day to adjust how much data you see. And that's it. Now you can easily zoom in and zoom out on Binance charts like a pro. Like and subscribe for more crypto trading tips. Thanks for watching.